In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix disk cache full in After Effects. If you've been seeing that warning during previews or renders, don't worry, this is a common housekeeping task, and we'll walk through quick, reliable fixes inside the app without touching your project files. First, open After Effects so we can clear out space right away. The fastest way to free up room is to purge the cache. Go to the top menu and choose Edit. Then Purge, and select all memory and disk cache. When the confirmation dialog appears, click OK. You'll see a progress bar as After Effects deletes temporary preview frames and cache data. This does not delete your project or source media. It simply removes files the app created to speed up previews. When it finishes, the disk cache full warning should disappear for the moment. You can do the same cleanup from Preferences if you prefer. Head to Edit. Click Preferences, then choose Disk. In this panel, click the Empty Disk Cache button. Confirm with OK and again. You'll see a progress indicator while those temporary files are removed. This path is great if you are already adjusting settings because everything you need is in one place. While you are still in Preferences under Disk, take a moment to clear the Media Cache database too. Under the Conformed Media Cache section, click Clean Database and Cache. Confirm the action, and After Effects will remove links to conformed audio and video files that are no longer present on your system. This helps reclaim space and prevents the app from tracking stale entries. If any media needs to be reconformed later, After Effects will handle that automatically as you work. Finally, to reduce how often you see this warning in the future, increase your cache size. In the same disk cache menu, find maximum disk cache size and raise the value if your drive has room. Many users choose something like 100 GB or 200 GB on a drive with ample free space. Click OK to save. A larger cache lets After Effects store more previews, which can make your timeline feel more responsive on complex projects. Just be sure your drive maintains healthy free space so your system stays snappy overall. That's it. Thanks for watching.